So hey everyone, Sony's classic Xperia camera phone is back and it looks better than ever. Today we are going to look at the top 5 features of the Xperia 1 Mark IV that may convince you to purchase the smartphone. As a result, the Xperia 1 Mark IV seems to be extremely identical to the 1 Mark III with the same screen and body design. Starting with the most important features, Sony has never let go of it. Yup, they are preserving the 3.5mm headphone port while other companies are practically abandoning it. This is where Sony sets themselves apart from other companies. There are some adjustments in the 1 Mark IV camera sector. Since Sony's smartphones are known for their camera setup, the camera has received two important modifications, and this is where most people will dig in first. It retains the same configuration as previously with the 12MP primary, a 12MP telephoto, a 12MP ultra-wide and a telephoto camera. However, the zoom camera now provides 3.5x to 5.2x step-less continuous optical zoom over the primary 24mm camera. Sure, this isn't the first smartphone to employ continuous optical zoom, but it has been a while. What's more intriguing is that all rear cameras now features a 4K at 120fps steady shot with flawless eye, IF and real-time object tracking. Real-time multi-frame stacking allows you to offer a larger dynamic range for both HDR and HDR films. Sony has finally improved its selfie camera, which may have slipped under the radar, but we believe it is significant. It now has a 12MP Sony sensor capable of filming 4K HDR footages. Sony has maintained its design consistency, and the Xperia 1 Mark IV maintains the iconic Xperia form, a water-resistant smartphone with a good grip for on-the-go photography. Throughout the last few years, this has always been the case. Sony was the first to introduce a 4K display on a smartphone, and the 1 Mark IV will follow the suit. The phone will have a 4K 120Hz HDR OLED panel, giving you the highest image quality and content consumption experience. Sony claims that the 4K display provides an impressive viewing experience and without any notches to get in the way. As a Sony standard, the panel size is a 6.50 inches with an 21:9 cinema wide aspect ratio. To power all of these capabilities, the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 CPU will be used. And this is an 8-core chipset that was unveiled on December 1st, 2021, and it is built utilizing a 4nm manufacturing technology. It will be fascinating to see how Sony achieved the CPU optimization on this gadget. Other notable improvements include a strong speaker with a deeper bass, a 5000 mAh battery with a fast charging 30W 50% in 30 minutes, fast wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, USB power deliver, and an upgraded back panel with a Gorilla Glass Victus. The most important point is that the retail package only includes a USB-C cable. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV supports up to 30W USB PD fast charging, and if you don't have already one, you will need to buy one in addition to the 1400 euros you spent on this Xperia. So what are your thoughts on the Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, feel free to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.